Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study social science standard 10 chapter 4, starting with the fill in the blanks. Blank is the most ancient book of Indian literature, Rig Veda. In which language is Buddhist literature written? Pali. In Pali language Buddhist literature is written. Which is the oldest language of Dravidians? Tamil. Tamil is the oldest language of Dravidians. Which is the first literary composition of poet Chand Bardai in the Hindi literature? Prithviraj Raso. Which is the literary composition of Maharshi Panini? Ashtadhyayi. What information is given in Atharva Ved? Atharva Ved describes various types of rituals and sanskars. Which philosophical principles have been explained in Srimad Bhagavad Gita? The Bhagavad Gita expands the deep philosophical principle. It conveys the message of achieving moksha or salvation through jnana, karma and bhakti. Explain following terminology. Script. People took help of expression, symbols, drawings and made many sounds to express their thoughts, ideas, feelings and emotions. Consequently, the script was invented. Language. The great chance obtained to man for expression of thoughts is called a language. Sanskrit language. The language formed by sages and scholars to use their skills in their works is called Sanskrit language. Tamil language. During the 1st century BC, the language which has been developed as the most ancient language among Dravidian languages. It is Tamil language. Ved. The word Ved has been formed from the word metal. It means knowledge. Thus, Vedas means literature that gives knowledge. Yajurva Ved. This describes the yams recited at the time of yajnas, the religious practices and rituals. Samved. Samved was composed to focus on the process of recitation of verses. Atharva Ved. Atharva Veda describes various types of rituals and sanskars. Brahmanical epics. Brahmanical epics were composed to understand the meaning of Vedic literature. Vedanta. The Vedanta literature deals with the religious practices and rituals, grammars, astrology and astronomy. Mahabharata. Mahabharata describes the war between Kauravas and Pandavas. It consists of 1,00,000 verses. The Mahabharata is considered as the world's largest epic. Explain the following terminology. Harshacharit. In this book, the life of Emperor Harsh is described. It is written by Bhanbhatta. It is known as Harshcharitra. Rajtarangini, the very important book describing history of Kashmir related to Kalhan, is considered as the first historical epic. It is known as Rajtarangini. Tripitak, Buddhist literature created in Pali language, is divided into 3 sections. Is called Tripitak. It is an epic of Buddhism. Virgatha Age. In Hindi literature, world heroic deeds of Prithviraj Chauhan was described by Chand Bardai in Prithviraj Raso, that worked the beginning of Virgatha Age. Amukta Malyada. Raja Krishna Dev Rai, the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagar, was a Telugu and Sanskrit writer. He wrote the Amukta Malyada. Dharmagunj. The book Recipository of Nalanda University was known as Dharmagunj. Takshashila. According to a brief, this university named as Takshashila after the name of Taksha, the son of Bharat, brother of Lord Ram in Raghukul. By what name the critical appreciation based on Vedas composed in poetic form is known as Brahmanical literature? Maharshi Vyas has written Mahabharata and Maharshi Valmiki has written Ramayana. One is not included in Moksha Marg. Moksha Marg. One is not included in poetic Sanskrit Granth of great poet Kalidas. Urbhang is not written by Kalidas. Mulla Dahod, Chandrayaan, Chand Bardai, Prithviraj Raso. The most significant developments during the blank was the birth of Urdu language. Medieval period. What has contributed to the development of language? The script has contributed to the development of language. What was used for expression of thoughts? Language was used for the expression of thoughts. For what Indian literature is famous since ancient times? For ancient times, Indian literature is known for its diversity and uniqueness. In which two parts Indian scholars have divided ancient literature? Indian scholars have divided ancient literature into Vedic and classical literature. Besides this, some folk literature was also popular. Which best opportunity is provided by language for human beings? Language provides the best opportunity for the humans for better expression and understanding. The script of ancient India is of which time? India's most ancient script is that of Harappan civilization, which has not been deciphered, and so we have not obtained much information about their languages. Who was the great Sanskrit grammarian? Which book did he wrote and when? Maharshi Panini was the great Sanskrit grammarian. He wrote the book Astadhyayi in 4th century BC. Which language is considered as the language of rishis or sages or Aryans? Sanskrit is considered as the language of rishis or sages or Aryans. How scientists have accepted Sanskrit language at wood level? Scientists have accepted Sanskrit by giving new shape to it. They made it accepted by all at the world level for computer use. How was the Sanskrit language important in ancient time? Sanskrit was the chief language for knowledge, science, religion and philosophy, which is called the Veda of Yagyas. Yajurveda is called the Veda of Yagyas. Why is Samveda called the Gangotri of music? Samveda was composed to focus on the process of recitation of verses, hence it is known as Gangotri of music. In which Veda various types of rituals and sanskars are described? Atharva Veda describes various types of rituals and sanskars. Which questions are analyzed in Upanishad literature? The Upanishad literature gives us a vivid description and analysis of the beginning of the universe, the mysteries of life and death, materialistic and spiritual world, etc. Which are the earliest Upanishads? Brihadaranya and Chandogaya are the earliest of Upanishads. In which form are the Upanishads? Upanishads are in the dialogue form. How many Upanishads are there in Muktiko Upanishads? There are all 108 Upanishads in Muktiko Upanishad. What is Vedanta? The Vedanta literature deals with the religious practices and rituals, grammar, astrology and astronomy. Which are two main epics of India? India's two main epics are Ramayana and Mahabharata. When was the present form of Ramayana and Mahabharata epics obtained? The present form of Ramayana and Mahabharata was obtained 2nd century AD. The story of King of Ayodhya is depicted in which epic? The story of the King of Ayodhya is depicted in the epic Ramayana. Which is the biggest poetic epic of the world? Give its peculiarities. The Mahabharata is the world's biggest poetic epic that consists of 1 lakh verses. This describes the war between Kauravas and Pandavas. Which literature played an important role in giving initial Vedic religion of earlier time? Purans played an important role in giving initial Vedic religion of earlier time. Which is the book on management? Kautilya's Arthashastra is the book on management. What do Smruti Granth explain? The Smruti Granth explains about the religious teachings, law and customs. In which language earliest Buddhist literature was written? Which it is known? The earliest Buddhist literature was written in Pali. It is known as Tripitaka. Which Sanskrit literature person was there in Gupta period? In Gupta period, the great writers like Kalidas, Bhubhuti, Bhairavi, Vishakhadat, Bhanabhat and Manga are included. Which books are written by Kalidas due to his best poetic and dramatic art? Kalidas' works were Kumar Sambhav, Raghuvansham, Meghdut, Rutu Samhar and Abhignan Shakuntalam. Which works of Bhanbhat are famous? Kadambari and Harshcharit are the known works of Bhanbhat. Harshcharit written by Bhanbhat is based on what? Harshcharit written is based on the autobiography of King Harsh. Which are famous books on Sangam literature? The famous works of this body are Ithukoi, the Tolikapiyam are included. Which are the famous works of early Tamil literature? The Shilpadikaram and Manmekhalai are some of the most famous works of early Tamil literature. Who composed Kural Tamil literature book? Poet Trivullar composed Kural Tamil literature. Who composed Geet Govind as Sanskrit poem? Jaidev composed Geet Govind as Sanskrit poem. Who composed earliest work in Hindi literature? The earliest works in an early form of Hindi literature was Prithviraj Raso by Chand Vardai. How did the age of heroic deeds begin in Hindi literature would? The work Prithviraj Raso by Chand Vardai that marked the beginning of age of heroic deeds of Hindi literature. Which work of Shankaracharya is considered main in Sanskrit literature in South India? Shankaracharya's Bhashya is considered as main work in Sanskrit literature in South India. Which work were composed by poet Pampa due to influence of Jainism of Kannada literature? Poet Pampa composed Adi Puran. It is the first work related with the life of Jain Tirthankars. Which work describing life of 16th Jain Tirthankar was prepared by the poet Ponna? The poet Ponna wrote Shanti Puran describing the life of 16th Jain Tirthankar. Which works were done by poet Ranna in Kannada literature? Poet Ranna composed Ajinath Puran and Gadayudh in Kannada language literature. Who are known as trio of early Kannada literature? The poets namely Pampa, Ponna and Ranna are known as the trio of early Kannada literature. In which language did poet Kamban compose Ramayana? Poet Kamban composed Ramayana in Tamil language. Which are the literature forms of Hindi language? Two forms of Hindi language are Khadi Boli and Brij Bhasha. Which heroic poems and works were composed in Rajasthani language? The heroic works like Allah, Udal and Vishal Dev Raso were composed in Rajasthani language. Which books of Mulla Daud is the oldest book in Awadhi language? A book named Chandrayan written by Mulla Daud is the oldest book in Awadhi language. which was the court language of sultans in Delhi. Persian is considered as the court language of sultans of Delhi. Which works of Amir Khusro are famous? Amir Khusro's famous works are Ashika, the Sifar, the Kiratul Sadayan, the Kazin ul Futuh. Who was the mentor of Amir Khusro? Nizamuddin Aulia was the mentor of Amir Khusro. Bhojpuri and Awadhi were two main dialects of which languages? Bhojpuri and Awadhi were two main dialects of Hindi language. Whose dohas are an organ of folk literature? Kabir's doha are an organ of folk literature. Who is considered as writer of epic Padmavat in Awadhi language? Malik Muhammad Jayasi is considered as writer of epic Padmavat in Awadhi language. Who composed Ramayana in Bengali? Kirtivasa composed Ramayana in Bengali. In which language famous poet Chandidas formed songs? The famous poet Chandidas formed many songs in Bengali language. By whom the tradition of writing devotional songs began in Bengali language in Bengal? The tradition of writing devotional songs in Bengal began by Saint Chaitanya. Who composed devotional songs in Marathi and Gujarati? Narsi Mehta composed devotional songs in Gujarati and Namdev and Eknath composed in Marathi. Which great emperor of Vijayanagar composed Amukta Malyada? Great emperor of Vijayanagar was a writer of Telugu and Sanskrit. He composed the book Amukta and Malyada, and that emperor was Krishnadev Rai. In which language first Mughal emperor Babur wrote his biography Tuzak-e-Babari? First Mughal emperor Babur wrote his biography Tuzak-e-Babari in Turkish. Who wrote Humayuna? Humayun's sister Gulbadan Begum wrote Humayunama. Who wrote the biography Tuzak-e-Jahangiri? Jahangir wrote biography Tuzak-e-Jahangiri. Who was the last Mughal emperor? The last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah Jafar. He was also a famous poet. Who were the Hindi literature person in medieval age? Tulsidas, Surdas, great poet Keshav Das were the Hindi literature person in medieval age. Which works were done by Abdul Fazl in Persian language? Abdul Fazl wrote Ain-e-Akbari and Akbarnama in Persian language. To translate which books did Akbar found a separate section? Akbar found a separate section to translate Mahabharata, Ramayana, Atharva Ved, Bhagavad Gita. Which is the most important event of medieval age? The birth of Urdu language was the most important event of medieval age. Which great poets were there in Urdu language in medieval age? The great poets like Wali, Mir Dard, Mir Taki, Mir Nazir, Akbar Badi, Abdullah Khan, Ghalib were there in Urdu language in medieval age. In which century Urdu prose was developed? Urdu prose was developed in 18th century. Which book of Muhammad Hussain is important in Urdu language? The important book of Muhammad Hussain in Urdu language was Darbar-e-Akbari. By which name library section of Nalanda University was known? The library section of Nalanda University is known as Dharmagunj. Till how long Nalanda was a reputed and well-esteemed center of education? During 5th to 11th century BC, Nalanda was a reputed and well-esteemed center for education. How did Nalanda University begin Jain pilgrimage? As Mahavir Swami had performed 14 Chaturmas, that place became Jain pilgrimage also. From what Takshashila derived its name? Takshashila derived its name according to brief belief from Taksha, the son of Bharat, brother of Lord Ram, born in Raghukul. How many subjects were taught in Takshashila University? 64 subjects were taught in Takshashila University. Which subjects were taught in Takshashila? In Takshashila, education of Vedas, military science, Gajvidya, archery, grammar, philosophy, war lore, astronomy, astrology was given. Who visited the Takshashila University in the beginning of 5th century? Chinese scholar Fayan visited Takshashila University in the beginning of 5th century. When did Varanasi grow as famous education center in India? During the 7th century BC, Varanasi grew as a famous education center of India. The blank has contributed to the development of language. Script. Great blank wrote Ashtadhyayi. Great grammarian wrote Ashtadhyayi. Blank was mainly a language of religion, philosophy, knowledge and science. Sanskrit. Sanskrit was a language of religion, philosophy, knowledge and science. Blank is the most ancient language in Dravidian languages. Tamil language. The most ancient book of Indian literature is Rig Veda. In Samved, to recite the verses of Rig Vedas, which rags and rhythms, so it is called as Gangotri of music. Blank describes various types of rituals and sanskars. Atharva Veda. The two main blank of India are Ramayana and Mahabharata. Epics. Ramayana and Mahabharata are the two main epics of India. Blank is the largest epic in verses. Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the largest epic in verses. Blank Arthashastra is a book of management. Kautilya's Arthashastra. The blank explain about the religious teachings, laws and customs. Smruti Granth. The blank played an important role in giving initial Vedic religion of earlier time. Purans. Blank by Chand Bardai marked the beginning of Hindi literature. Prithviraj Raso. Blank is the first historical Granth of India. Raj Tarangini was the first historical Granth of India. Blank is known as the golden period of development of poems and dramas. Gupta Age. Oral questions. What is the meaning of Veda? Knowledge. By what name is Yajurveda Veda known? Veda of Yajna. Which Veda is known as Gangotri of music? Samved. How many main Upanishads are there? 10. Who wrote Kadambari? Bhan Bhatt. Who wrote Geet Govind? Poet Jaydev. Who wrote Bhashya? Shankaracharya. Who wrote Raghuvanshiyam? Great poet Kalidas. Which is the main Granth of Buddhism? Tripitaka. Who wrote Dash Kumar Charit? Dandi. Identify the questions. I am considered as language of rishis. Sanskrit language. My meaning is knowledge giving literature. Vedas. I am considered as the ancient book of Indian literature of Aryans. Rig Veda. My two main epics are Ramayana and India. Mahabharata. And the answer is India. I am considered as the biggest poetic Granth of the world. Mahabharata. My economics is considered as a work of management. Kautilya's Arthashastra. I am considered as Kannada Granth of poet Ponna. Shanti Purana. I am considered as life character sketch of Harshvardhan. Harshcharit. My Akhyan verses poems were famous in medieval literature. Premanand. I am counted as early Granth of Tamil literature. मन में खलाई